friends, welcome to my channel Hunger the Healthy Hunt. Happy Valentine's Day. Today let me show you how to make a simple and pinky Valentine card. Shall we start? Materials required are glitter foam sheets of dark pink and silver color, some glittering stones, light pink chart, dark pink pattern paper, and satin ribbon, paper ribbon, scale, pencil, and sketch pens, pattern scissors, regular scissors, and glue. Take the light pink chart of size, length 42 cm and breadth 15 cm and mark at 6 cm, 7.5 cm, 15 cm, then again 7.5 cm and 6 cm, so that it will look like this. You have to score at all the marked points and fold it this way. Take a white sheet and draw a heart in this that fits inside this page. Fold it into half and trace it here. One side here and the other side. Turn it and trace it this side. Now we are going to cut it only in this flap. Cut this out. After cutting, it will look like this. Now take the white heart and cut out half a centimeter lesser than that and take the white glitter sheet and cut like this. We are going to paste it here. Take the pattern paper of size 15 into 7.5 cm and cut using zigzag scissors for borders, and we are going to paste it like this. Now the outer part is ready. Let's go to the middle part. Take a pattern sheet of size 20 into 5 cm and fold it into 4. Then trace a heart shape here, and we are going to cut it like this and paste it so that outside and inside both will have this dark color paper. Paste it this way. 3 hearts should be there. 1, I love you. This way. White color of 3 different sizes, and we can stick it here and decorate the inner part with stones. Tie the satin ribbon around. Now our beautiful Valentine card is ready. Try this at your home and gift it to your Valentine. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications on all videos. Thank you.